Hi, I'm Jim Lacey from JLN Plumbing and Heating, and we're here in Kenilworth to look at one of our recent installs. Here we've got a 5 kilowatt Vaillant Aerotherm Plus air source heat pump been fitted as a part of this extension to the property where the boiler's been removed. The heat pump's going to be feeding new radiators in the property that have all been sized for the super low flow temperature of 45 degrees, which should make this a super efficient system to run. The pipework for the heat pump comes off the back of the heat pump and is insulated in Primary Pro weatherproof insulation, then runs along the side of the property and into where we've located the cylinder in a larder cupboard in the new extension. You'll see that all joints are sealed and bonded with Primary Pro's bond and seal to make them totally weathertight, clipped away from the wall. There's no antifreeze valves or valves outside just because of the problems with trying to seal that against the insulation and keep it weathertight. So all valves go inside. In fact, while we're talking about antifreeze valves, Vaillant have now announced that they approve 3 methods of frost protection. One is a glycol filled system, which we all know can cause other issues with the thickness of glycol and the inefficiency of it. The second one is antifreeze valves, which can be fitted on the back of the unit and will operate if the temperature drops to below 5 degrees. The third one, which we commonly use now, is a risk assessment. So if we look at the property, it's not in an area prone to power cuts. We can use the built-in electronic frost protection that's inside the Vaillant unit to protect the pipework against freezing. The advantage with this is that there's no valves outside to fail and try and insulate and try and keep watertight, and it makes the installation super easy, a lot cheaper and a lot more simple.